Hey fellas, not planning to do a video because Verde isn't making the videos this month, not today, all month. Okay, so we have Makita impact wrench and this is spinning, but the motor is working, but the angle is not spinning. So let's open it to check what's broken here. Probably the gear of the armature. Yeah, I need to open this with hand because I don't have proper bits, or maybe have them, but need to find them and put it at will. We'll just cut a part of the unscrewing screws, maybe. Okay, let's take the housing off. Okay, and first thing we are looking here is the armature itself. Putting the housing out, and yeah, as you can see, the armature gear is broken, and of course it's left here inside. Now you can see that this part looks good, this one looks good, and okay, of course, why not? It's just left it here. Where's my magnet? Who's seen my magnet? Okay, it's here. Okay. And yep, so here's the missing part of the gear, and it's a common fault of this impact wrench, so probably the gear is too weak. Okay, so now we need a new armature if the customer will repair it, because changing this once, I don't know, once 3 or 4 months. Okay fellas, something good is happening here. We have the armature for this not gone, and you can see the part number 519593-1, and you can find this spare part on my shop. The link to the shop will be in the video description, and let's just get it replaced. Okay, nicer, yep, very nice. Okay, so the old one goes to recycle bin. Now we know that these gears are good, so just taking the gears, inserting the pins. Okay, the washer. We'll put some amount of the fresh grease here, and yep, I know I need to wash it, blah 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 blah. I will not wash it. Okay, so now close this nicely. We will check for the alignment. Now it seems to be a little bit misaligned. Let's spin it. Okay, now it looks nicer. Of course, we will see when we'll assemble it. And okay, nice armature here. This one looks like that. Okay, let's check if everything fits here. Yep, nicely. Getting it here in. to fit everything here, and I think it looks good. We'll get the sticker. Okay, have the sticker here with my logo, the grease and the repair date. Probably the most important is the grease on the sticker. Okay. Just closing it. Okay, we have tightened this one nicely. And now we have the moment of the tool, because we need to put a battery to test it. I have battery from the customer. Okay, the moment of the tool is that I put the terminal, let's align it here. Okay. Nice, it works nice. I like how it works. It works silently, nicely. Not like Milwaukee. Milwaukee is a little bit powerful than this one, but this one works very nicely and silently. The motor works. The hammering part, of course, is the same because it's hammering. So that's an easy fix. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press thumbs up, and for now, bye.